Guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on spell check settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on edit user dictionary here, and here can you add word in down here, can you add it in this list. So when you're down, just click here on done, and there can you select filter words by language. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.